How to set up automatic credit card payments at Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here, if you never want to miss a credit card payment again, well, here is how to set up automatic payments with Regions Bank. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here, on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you simply have to select the accounts and click on the credit card you want to automate payments for. And there you simply have to go to payment option or auto pay and then choose the amount to pay like minimum, full balance or a custom amount, and after that you simply have to select your payment account, frequency and preferred payment date. And once you're done with it, you simply have to review the details carefully and then click submit or confirm auto pay. And with that, you will receive confirmation and your credit card payments will now be automatically deducted each month. And that's it. That's how you can set up automatic credit card payments at Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.